Okay, hello YouTube, this is me a video review. These bad boys right here. You can see them or not. They're in the plastic, but they are Southland Archery Supply. Number 175 grain arrow tips. The other ones I'm using are the 150s. You can see or not, there's a difference. There's a difference in how big they are, a little bit longer from where the silver part is to the top. The other ones are weird brand on Amazon, the 150s, and then the other ones are Southland Archery 175s. You can tell or not, there's a weight difference in arrow field points. The 150s are on my normal non-lighted nocks, and the other ones are on my lighted nocks. Both of them seem to be pretty good for what they are. The lighted knock ones are all on the left right now on the table. I just practiced shooting at the target. I took them out of there because I don't want to have to grab them when it's really cold. It's 30-something degrees right now. You can see. Can't see it probably, but there's steam coming out of my mouth. Can't even open the little bag because my hand's so cold. I had to pause the video. Okay, so I unpaused the video. Took one of my gloves off. Now my hands are shaking. But the 150s have the red rubber O-rings on them. These didn't come with that. And the 175s, they only sell 2 different kinds on Amazon. And they both don't have the rubber O-rings on them, so that's just one thing to deal with. It doesn't matter. My hand's shaking again, damn it. I try to put my glove back on, but I don't know if I can do it with one hand or not. Yeah, I did. I put my glove back on. These are my thin slate green leather gloves. These are the 175s. They look pretty gnarly. They're lower than the 200s. I didn't want to buy 200s just because they seem too ridiculous in the weight of them. You can see the 150s look a little bit shorter and not as fat as the other ones, and the tips are more narrow compared to the 175s. So you get a longer tip, this actual thickness part, and then the skinnier part on the other one's the 150. The fatter tip one is the 175. For what they are, they're only $10. $10 for this set. $10 for this set. Both are what's that number? 5/16. 5/16 thickness, whatever, of the arrow point. I think it's down here, the diameter. Or no, it's up here diameter actually. So 5/16 diameter on both of these. All my arrows are using that. So I don't know why the other crazy numbers are too many of them. It's really cold out here. These are cool 175 arrow field points. Can't see the steam on the screen obviously, but there is sunlight coming in from the up high up here. I'm trying to blind myself with the screen, but it's still cold enough to make steam with your mouth. Here, the Southland Archery Supply 175s are pretty cool and good quality field points. The screws are a little bit different on them. You can see that. The one on the left are the other ones. There's a #1 best-selling field points on Amazon right now. And these are the 175 Southland Archery ones. For some reason they got a shorter screw. The same length of what do you call it? The same length of this part of metal above the screw. So they could have gone full screw length, but I don't know why they didn't. It's just weird. The other brand that makes these are $11.99 each, the VPA. they have a 175, but there was a conflict of what do you call it when they deliver? It's too slow. I buy stuff on Prime, so when you get it, it takes longer or not because how far away they're shipping them from. So I got these instead, and I didn't want to spend $11.99 on field points. They're only worth $9 or $8 almost. Okay, in video. Now, phrasing out here.